Alright. Alright, peeps. Oh, native crayfish this, so you see. Yeah man, so you think they might come along there? Good day and welcome back my beautiful peeps. So today guys, yes man, sun hot. We're on a riverside guys. You see what I say? Water kind of jumping at the river get clean up and as you can see. You can see the bottom of the water. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bank up at the bar. We're gonna set out the net today guys. And we have something chicken back. We have some chicken there, so not chicken back. Sorry about that guys. We have some chicken there, so we are tired for a roast. After we set out the net, we are gonna throw 2 lines same way guys. Yeah man, catch off our original fish, them native fish. Yes. So we have the camera stand right here. We have water. I don't know we're not going without the water. You see me? We have a seasoning here, so we have the musket and we have the grill. I don't know big man bush in the place. Yes guys. That is it. We have the fire stick them here, so we are going to line it guys. Now see, I catch on the GoPro. You see me? Yeah man, I don't know what water I'm going now. That is it the peeps. So come in, we're outside now. So we're outside now, you know?
Outside for the next banger.
Come on my peeps. I'll just say go up top and now, you know? Set out in the now. What the river flat out man. Peeps, you see that? That's how the river change. What do you right so deep, you know? Aye. What do you right so fully deep? We gotta catch a fish and move over this. So that's the whole bank in this float. Where's it in the deeper part? Oh, come now. Come.
I've been telling them I'm going to hold them.
I hold them.
Yeah, and I watched them yesterday.
Oh.
So like we're there now, they are now today.
Yeah, fish gone. Dive out to hold them, yes. On the piece, so we have a room them already. So I'll go on. You have to watch for fish. Sea crab now guys. Sea crab bite half a toe in this now. Now we have to start come swim up as one. Eh? Catfish. Alright, we'll go on. What up me the catfish? Yeah, no, I have bait.
Like you have to try half time right so.
Mullet?
The river mullet.
Yeah, biggie man. Peeps, river mullet.
It's a big catfish.
Yeah, then come down. Watch him, watch catfish. Yeah, that's shit thing. Watch catfish, my kid. Catfish it is. You? Hi, peeps. Oh, why this fish? That this how it's happening with there. I'll catch off my fish now. You see that? Watch him, man. Watch it.
Put it in. I gotta tell you to put it in. Touch him rapid.
Watch it, peeps. I'm going to move it there, so. Come. Take this. A big catfish there, so. Come on, attack one. Buang itu.
Boleh.
Ngicit.
Far into.
Let's take out one. Wow. Anak bang gini makan from now.
Itu sana ada ni man. Itu saya ada fish con dog.
The fish go just lie on him. I'm not trying gun.
School ada find one in the field. Now one day for us we sit in it. Try for him. Sit in the try for him. It's one more.
Yeah.
And I bang to my phone. But me one day for us we sit in it.
We are sitting in a deep grass also. Okay, I don't so they live.
They might go back and forward.
Yeah. Well, look like I don't live mostly. The bank in car, the grass and feed off them fish. You see me? Peeps?
So you run up on one perch and back and forward. Now when the pull in 9 on the stick of school I did love.
Fish. Fish and active peeps.
That you can but the river and the coconut on actually.
Ah, tinggal kau ambil. Siwi na, siwi na.
The big one.
Yeah. Siwi na bush.
You like that yesterday near city.
Peeps, the fish and siwi. Alright. Saya malu kau ambil pada saya. Sim? Oh, just off. Peeps, the fish and siwi. Yeah, masih dem man. Masih dem. Watch him. Big, you know? Big. Why is it so tight?
Yeah, one fish on like that.
Okay.
Water.
See them? Yeah, I'm peeps. You want to swim past it? That's one day. Go on, man, take it up.
It's full like this.
I'm gonna take it up now, peeps. Alright, peeps. Hold him, don't makin japa. Alright, peeps, hold him, boy. Knock him out, bush, knock him out. Big enough. Oh, near the fish, guys. They wanna bigger than one more day, man. Knock him out, yeah, man. See that, peeps? You have to do that, guys. See me, if we knock them out, I'll get back off my banking. So we have a fish roast right now. You see me, guys? Yeah, man. Sorry if you look outrageous, guys, or out of context, but so we have to do to keep them. You see me?
So we didn't hear so.
Yeah, they must see me.
We didn't hear so we can't enjoy for
Yeah. I don't know. You have some people that tell you, say,
You can also explain to them and tell them.
Yeah, man.
Hear so.
Yeah. Near the banking, you go off back in the water. You see me?
Where put him in?
Eh? Hook him find something, man. See if I can find something. Hook him
Throw him
find.
in a brown bag.
Bone back in there. Watch it hook. Eh? Go a bush. Board them enough, peeps. Watch one day. Board them enough. And they okay now. You can't get rid of the okay now. Yeah, man. Guys, you see that? Just like that. And get catch. Eh? No, I'm just like a choy tawa. But something wrong with the reel. The reel I'm stiff like you want aisle. Oh crap! Should have take it up now. No, should have take it up. I'm swimming, man. I'm see it. What the dark? Oh, a catfish that? Oh, bush. As in come and grab a fish. I want to let me know. Grab it up, I'm trying to too soon. Like him hold the bait alone. Go on with it, peeps. I'll go on the piece of food. Since I them want bait, I'll give them bait. Alright, peeps. I catfish him enough though, bush. See them that pass? See them peeps? Don't know if I can see them. Alright. Drop the line right in front of them. See if them are come up feet. So setting it now guys, but this is how I see them now. I catch off of them, as you see if we bite the line. Mm-hmm. Down with it. Oh. No, down with it. Yeah, I'll shoot them. I'll shoot them peeps. Yeah, man, so you see that, guys? Fishing outside. We'll have to set in it, leave it, and see if them hitch up night. You know, some feed them hitch up night still, boss. You will hitch up the night now? Yeah, man. Or more like... Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Big catfish, big catfish. Put on a bit. See him there? Oh, you see him? Watch him, I'm going to oh, see him, I'm going to a bit. Got it? Gone. Gone, people, gone.
They realize that in the river money run off of them, then I go off fight.
Oh. Where the river mullet rush them? So one day. One of them do over there now. So one oh wait, Bush, wait, don't. Masih we know. Kau set ni. Oh, siapa bas? Wait, siapa bas? Hmm? Hmm. Alright, rolling. One more, Bush. Rolling. Yes, man, peeps. Rolling, guys, rolling. One more. One native fish at peeps, is that? It hook in the jaw, nah.
They hook a sharp.
They hook off. Where you land, Bush? So, I'm going to go. First boss, I'm going to go. Peeps, a jaguar, say, right, that's all. Oh, go, you know? Ah, this is the jaguar, them, I say, mostly overfish them. You see, guys? Our native fish them, and that's a nice sign. So that will get rid of them. That for sure is a worry of the guys that work, you see me? See them? I'm stop travel up and down. What's them there? Come man, come. Yeah man, come. Take a copy. Take a copy man. You're going with it. Yes guys, roll him, boy. Roll him, Bush, roll him. Knock him out. Knock him out, man. Knock him out. Alright, look at him again. Alright, yes guys, so watch out. Go through one look at bush. Make bush sit on the side, guys. And me go around. On the side there. Oh, what? Then get shot, man. So bush, if we scrape water out of the net, then I get out the same way. Yeah. Peeps. Fish them active. One now. Oh, them a run. Them a run bush. Wow, them a run. Ma take your banking. Guys, the fish them a take the banking. See ma all over the place sir. All over the place sir then. I'm just here and safe no banking here. Fish them a take your banking feet. Be a look of fish and take on yourself. You think we should set net now bush and make them go and cool off? Alright. Yeah peeps. Set net. Let them go and cool off, you know. Because what them do, them go back in them hole. So setting it. What you wanna play? Play now, watch him. Play guys, let's see if I come out feet. I can take it bunking and gone. Hold on bush. Mullet, I'm gonna play guys. So one in front of me. Yeah, you can see him peeps here. Eh? Oh, look at mullet here, hold it down. Oh, jump off. Oh crap. Say, come again. Save my whole life. Oh, you're not so stupid. What? Am I go fight in turn? Go fight in turn. Come on, hold it man. Guys, then look at mullet here. It's nice, you know man. Could be a mullet here now. But, so bush, oh, up top, look. Oh, you go up there? Yeah man peeps, ayo aga do. I set out in it. It's like how them swim up and down. I set out in it and make them get catch night. Be a tank cleaner there though. Hope no only part them catch out by net guys. Trust me. Watch a look up thing there, I'll play the line. Alright, so one over the sound chime. Oh, I bush the mullet them a run them in there, that's why now. You know? I'm saying we can't jump line look close at him peeps. Turn way. Alright, come in bush, I'll set in it. Guys, you see crab there? Right as well. And like a baby blue crab. So we can catch him. Watch him, I feed him. One line. One line man. Go and grab it, you know? You have it, I'll eat off it, so I'll fight. So we can hook him up. See ma? Baby blue crab piece. Now like you know? See? Peeps, watch out. Oh man, leg on man. Leg on me say. Oh, bush ma get like. Making go man, small. Peeps. Making go if I big one him make us get a sad day today. Oh, it's a bigger one, huh? Then can jump line in front of him. Oh, left a bit, better. Hold him. And let go. Mullet. Peeps. Yes, guys, so I set out in it. Pull the line of a bush. Line flick around and hitch. So they want to shoot past it, eh? Want to shoot go up the stream, you know? You are zigzag net here? Eh, that's not. Look, look. I pitch it from the banking right, so go over to the banking.
Slant.
And come so, and go so. Yeah. You want to stick?
You control that in there. Go some with that in there.
Alright. Peeps. And so, I go off now the water, you know.
You see the footprint in the mud.
Crab, you know. Oh, crab bite from big toe, you know.
Full out. Throw it out back. My enemy being next to me alone, I'll be careful that I'm not ready.
Gana. Sink the foot rope. The foot rope sink in the bank in here. Turn it over. Reach it under the bush. I'm going to pass up there now.
Sink to your side and sink in the middle line. Just sink.
Walk when I come back across the way, I walk by it.
Don't drive too stiff if you have belly in it.
There are peeps, so sink it rope, sink the car line up there, so sink the foot rope, walk on it, make sure so nothing pass it, you see me? Yeah, man. Sink it to the banking yourself, so use your foot, sink it like this, just like that, guys, so you don't get turn on, no if you walk on it, come across, eh? Right there. Eh? Okay. Yes guys, so I take a tour go up the line, you know. The river same way. The river bed there. So we're sitting here down the side there, guys. Now look at deep pool with fire so you catch a fish them. And we have to check out up so what they up all over here so deep, guys. We have to cover me here what they put together. Eh? What you say? Oh. This time. So two, yeah man, knock him. Alright, sea crab guys, sea crab. So we have some sea crab for us. Find it. Yeah guys. So we'll come back one. Curry up some sea crab. Curry sea crab, soft shell crab guys. Yeah man. Huh? You bite you? Watch it man. This mine is some bigger one. Like we need to go down closer to the sea. Catch them. Oh what? Where are you, sir? Oh, bullfrog. Oh, so one more there. Knock him. Sideways. Again, you don't get caught, you know. Shoot my shit to him. The crab, guys. See the scene in front of you. Bamboo in big. Guys, you see that? He's not dead yet, you know.
This one swim the coil, man. I wind it.
Crab, get ready for you. Grab him.
No problem.
See there?
Where?
See ma make him very nice, Andy.
Come.
No? Hold on. Don't know the water. See ma. Ini. Mana yang kecil? Kau tak kaya bak. See Sims? How you crab gone? You see him? Grab him. Guys, this is our native crayfish. This. So you see blue one where you see I catch, guys? Them they are the invasive one. See machita. See crab, the crab look like him making way. Come here. Eh?
glimpse him first like that.
You glimpse him again? Alright guys, you see him? Oh, a native crayfish. See it? Bush them call him bamboo swims. Nice bait, you know. It's a nice bait to catch the same, our native fish them in the bush, you know. Catch him? Crab. Oh, see crab, eh? Oh, you get caught one. Oh, wait, siya ang bag one.
And then I
Eh? Say na, kill him. Oh, wala pa yung finger, no?
chop up in time.
Chop up yung fine. Chop up yung fine, I can't catch crab with him. Catch him or catch crab, catch fish. Yes, guys, so the river system thrive with wildlife. So they used to stay and got come back, you know. And the river went dry once in a peeps. Yes, man. Yeah, them eat. So they always the bird in the river, guys. So that means if we go further downstream, then bush, we have bingo then. Yeah, stream though. Para upstream. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, I'll go walk up by canals and stuff. I'm gonna see if I can still dig out. From 3 minutes there, go up the line. One day. Morning, bush. Gan? Sini, ini in front of you. Chop off something off him. Chop off half him. Om lift up beside you, see him, look for him. Hold on. Om lift up. Watch it now. Wait now.
No, making get away, no. Kill him, man, no making get away.
Alright, keep so. Bush if we unalive him, so I'm going to use some unalive him. See, we have a big tough camera, you see me? You see him? Gone. You see what cool? Go by you? Go by you? Oh, what cool? I am quite fat. We are going for him. Hey, watch about it, eh? Yes, man, the peeps. So you see what I'm going? Fire catch up this, so. We have a fire stick them right so. And we have a 2 big catch them, guys. We have a small one, them see the butterfly life. We are so put him out of misery, guys. Yes, man. So peeps, the reason why you see bush chop the fish them now, you see? Sorry about that. The reason why you see him I try knock them out. The reason being the bank is over there steep and it's shallow, you see? So as you take up a fish, if you fish the hook good, if him jump off a line, gone, you see me? So we have to try. You know this combobulate in brain? Yeah, man. So anyway, guys, we're there. We're gonna get the fish them gut, we're gonna roast them and then scale the same way, seize them from the belly, guys. And we have a chicken same way what the stuff. I'm gonna chop them up right now and I'll show you what I'm going. You see me? Yeah, man. Knife. Alright, my peeps, so I'll chop up a chicken them right now, chop them up, then we'll clean them up. Yeah, man, so you don't know the mash it clean right off. You see me, guys? And if you crab them out, chop up a line. You know, chop a line from the crab them. One bamboo swim, guys, we'll take out a piece of swims and I'll try to catch off I fish them with him, you see me, but it never works. So anyway, we have a little piece of same way. Still I'll throw it on the grill, you see me, because we can't catch it and make it go to waste. So sin that, you see me? Yeah, man. So anyway, guys, as I say, I get this piece of meat I cut up, you see me? Yeah, man. Busha over there, catch the fire, guys. So go on, there him knee light blue, you know. Busha. There mosquito one. I can't, you kick good water pan the wood them that's quite. That's why you try to, you know. A talk. Yes, guys. This is the life, you know. This is what we enjoy doing. Remember guys, anyway they in the world I watch, just know so you can do this thing, you see me? Yeah man, if just find a local creek where you know the water clean, link up to your friend them, they don't know you out. And if you even if you want to come to Jamaica, come link you up. We don't have no problem for carrying up on the adventure, you know, peeps. And if you're Jamaica and want to link up same way, you know. Yeah man, you don't know my number, the in my bio, guys, just check it out. If you want to link up, you call me, you see me? Yeah man, just chop up the chicken here. Get it well chop up, clean up for me and bush, you know. We don't want to take off the skin now guys, because we roast it over the open fire. Yes man. So what we are going to do, basically we chop it up and then we just clean out the inside like the meat, the liver part them we left in night. I don't know liver there I see eh? The liver, tear off liver, turn off liver them. If you guys never know, tissue and all them things, you know, and then get them seasoned up and then put them on the grill. That is it the peeps. Start here. You have my peeps. So I get the chicken then seasoned up now. You see me? Them all washed up already and thing. Chicken then seasoned up. I only have enough to stand man. Chicken then seasoned up guys. I'll put all the fish already. See that guys? Big. Almost tall on the grill now man. Yeah.
You know what I do?
Yeah. Yeah.
Squeeze that fish on top of.
Oh. No, that's really no right.
Now we don't have a to roast it in a again.
Alright guys, so we don't want to put too much salt on the thing there because you know thing go. Or they made some chicken you kind of salt, you know, so take your time with the salt and get up in the heat so you know people. So take your time, you know. Spiritual rub, yeah man, great Jamaican cheese this, you know, peeps. I don't want to waste it, you know, so I'm going to take the time do a thing like this and then we're going to rub them together, you see me? I don't want to put too much of this pint either. I don't know. Salt they night whole heap. Alright, so first thing we want to do to the fish them now, I put the spiritual rub there then. Alright, some need them more than that. One drop. What's the name? Take 5 paper that bag. I should take 5 paper that bag. Yes guys, so one drop to fish them. So I'll look at all-purpose season. I'll look at steak season, some sesame seed, everything. I don't know, as we normally say guys, it can't complete without the complete season, you know. You see me? That's a dust after dust. Yeah man, put in there. Yeah? Put some more at this night. I want to taste it, guys. I taste this for around, you know. And put some more. This around there. So anyway, guys, I'll get them a rub up now, like this, and go and marinate. Yeah, man. Smell good. Right. And we'll go and marinate right this guys. We'll get me and wash off now. See that? Pipe the right side, I mean, peep. Yeah man, so we'll season up the next big fish and then little fish there and then pan the grill guys. Okay peeps, so I got the grill now. So never mind the background guys, I don't know. Every time we work out the place guys, the river come down, so I'll be a trash, bamboo trash, a wash come down, you see me? So set on the grill guys, make the grill go and burn off. Any germs upon it get burned off by the heat, fire heat. And then we'll put on the fish and the chicken upon it, you see me? Yeah man, so there so. We'll set up a river here now. Make them trash get washed away out of the water. And then later we will swim, you see me? Yes man. Yes man, my peeps, so the grill burn off now. So here we're going to add the chicken then first. Cool. Yeah man peeps, so And them fully clean. Don't watch your hand them, you know. Remember, cleanliness is godliness, is in peeps. And I'm a Christian, is in? Yeah, man. So, what want to do? Dropping right as so. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. You will hold my finger, boy. Yeah, man, peeps. So, and like last time, you know, when we can roast everything, you know. Okay. It's a bigger grill now, but we catch two big fish, you see me, peeps? Anyway, seeing like that, you eat. So, roast and eat, you know. But then look closer. I will line up a stick because the fire eating and normal at all. Cut a piece of, cut a fat bush. The machete and use the knife and sharpen it. That tree there? No, that tree there was a cherry. Yeah. Anyone can use, man, a green one. It don't go do nothing. Yes, man, my peeps. You see that? It's lovely. I'm add him up, sir. That is it, man. You see what I want? Yeah, man. So anyway, guys, bush over this, I chop on fork, you know. I get it sharp there now. I want to drink some water and thing, peeps. Guys, anywhere you are in the world watching, big up yourself. Could have India, Jamaica, America, United Kingdom. You know what I think, guys. You see me? Don't know you outside like all the time, we'll keep you guys entertained. Like every day. You see? If you know watch my last video, guys, go over there. Pod. Link up with the Gifted Hunter, guys, my friend. Yeah, man, I'm bridging that Gifted Hunter. Big up yourself. Grandfather Michael, big up yourself. To all of my team. Bush. Don't know Bush always outside the mina peeps. So Bush, big up yourself, Bush. Yeah? Alright. That is it, my peeps. That is it. No. Yeah, man, the peeps. And remember, guys, support my merch. You see me? I got left seat also. I got the link. Is in my bio, guys. So just go on the channel, look on it, look in the bio. Yeah, see my link. Just go on it, guys. Sell mug, t-shirt, pullover, you know, all of the above. So anyway, guys, we're outside. We're gonna finish roast up the chicken them. Come in. Yeah, man. So you think them come along there? You know. So one turny. I'm gonna bone up, you know. Fish them can go and stay, guys, because they're thick. See, it's the one I catch color up on the side, and up on the side, him there. Looking good. All the crab them over here, so guys. Piece of swims there, so. Now, this is our native crayfish, guys. You see me, them call them bamboo swims out there, most place. Yeah, man. That is it. Man. See that? Looking good. Looking amazing. See that, my peeps? Yeah, man. Yes, man, my peeps. So bush just go catch them upstream, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Chicken them ready now, so I'll start eat some chicken and bread. You see me? Alright. And see it? Bush just chop them there, peeps. So chop them and chop them there. Yeah, man, chicken them, man. You know one over here, sir. Yeah, man. Ready up, steady up. Bone you like, bone you get. The fish them, like a fish them thick. I mean, I'm soak a bit. You see me? Maybe the chicken them. Or either one dip it in nice spreadsheet sauce. Because we don't have the regular sauce. Yeah, man. But them season well and thing. Taste it how it is. See, good?
Nice, man.
Nice. Alright, peeps. So you don't know my turn. Take a piece and I'll get a piece of bread. How is bread there? I don't know, we have a tackle box saying, peeps. We'll tackle the fish them today. We're done catch fishes now, guys. Yeah, man. Not quite finished. Yeah, about 6, 7. 6 now, I said that too late. Ah, yeah. Oh, we need to peel off for the bone. Peeps, meat, peel off for the bone. So I go on. I want to take a seat right there, guys. Right, yeah, so. We don't need to take a swim in the pit because biasan serong na, biasan kan nampak. Hot. Bad peeps. Only shot of some pepper. It makes some more pepper sauce in the peeps. Now I'll show you how we make it, see me? This video, me show you how we make it in the last video. I'm going to make a different one. I'll show you how I'm going, see me? That is it, peeps. Water. Chop piece more chicken for me. Ready, yeah? Hey. This time, I'm going to keep chicken bone up my finger. Ah! What? Some more juice in the chicken. It's the most of the crave. I want to burn my mouth. That's a bit fully cooked too, no blood, is right? That is it, man. That is how we do it, guys. We have catch fish and we have full belly. We have catch fish them and we have full belly with them too. Back in the water as a peeps. Boy, I know my mouth still about me. Anyway, I go and work the chicken. I show you how I want to fish. So, finish eat off this now. And then we'll take up a fish. Show you how I want to fish. I want time to test out the fish now. That peeps, I'm out of the river to the grill. To my belly now. Alright peeps, so when you roast the fish in a scale, just peel it back. Look how easy it is. You don't have to worry about the burn. You see me? How easy that is? Just peel it back. You see the white meat? Watch how I go. Wow, hot. Peeps, what? Wow, amazing. Nice catch, guys. Good catch. Have a good catch, good day. We show one side a feed fish, man, feed fish, guys. You know? Oh, nice. So guys, peel back the skin. Look at this. And the white flaky meat. You see what I'm going? This is the bush life, guys. Real bush life, you know? Boy, when I don't eat the fish, guys, I don't want no more fish. But it's supposed to full, big. About 2 pound fish is now, bush. Eh? 2 pound size, guys. So one. Hot. I'm sure you're not belly. Try belly. Be a season, it's no. Spray tree rub. Oh. Really and truly, you know. Some should not eat the fish, I dip it. Hot. Alright, peeps. Now, I finish mash up the fish now. I finish eat the fish and feeds. And then, we eat the first thing on the grill. Eat the crab. And then, we go fishing. Let's see if we can catch some more fish. I'll check the net, guys. We'll set the net. I'll check the net and so I'll catch fight. You see me? Come in. Yes, man, the peeps. So we have come to the end of the video now, you know. Me and Bush go up and look at a small hunt. Yeah, man. As you can see, guys, even a forward. I want to catch look at the light. When we are going around, you see me? Because through the bush we go. Yeah, man. We'll show you what we're going to catch. That? Yeah, man. The river come down. Yeah, man, my peeps. Look what I'm going. Take up that. See there? I want them still alive. So I go on. Catch mullet. See that jaguar there in there? Some blue crab, soft shell crab, you see me? I'll get a one baby snook, guys. See ya? See ya? Peeps, a baby snook. Yeah, man, upon the net that catch, guys. So anyway, like, share, subscribe. Outside like all the time, we'll get the thing them clean up and now, peeps. Yeah, man. So we enjoy the day. Hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. Remember, check out my merches, guys. Jamaica Adventures, we outside. Water warm there, so I cool up as a way to that. You know what I got. Alright, peeps. Time to go fishing. I want cool off, I know. It's a fishing time.